Greatest common factor, GCF, is the biggest number or term that divides into each of the numbers. Okay, so let's take a look at this example right here. I have 45u minus 36. So first thing I want to do is to find a number that divides into both 45 and 36. Okay, that they both share. So I have 45 and negative 36. I have the biggest number is 9. Okay, so 9 times 5 give you 45. 9 times 4 give you 36. So you see they both share 9 right here. I'm going to take out 9 as my greatest common factor. Now inside the parenthesis is where you put whatever is that's left over. Okay, so here I have 45. It's 9 times 5, so 5 is left in here. Here I have 1 u. I didn't take out any u, so you have 5 u's left. On the right side I have 36 divided by 9 give you 4, so subtract 4 right there. To check our answer you can multiply backward. Okay, so to check your answer you check like this. Take 9 times 5, does it give you 45? Yes. And then you just bring it along with it. Okay, and then you take 9 again and multiply by the second term. 9 times negative 4 gives you negative 36. So we know that our answer is correct. Alright, second example, 8t squared minus 24. So first thing, we're going to find whatever the number that 8 and 24 share. The biggest number they share, which is 8. Okay, so 8 times 1 gives you 8. 8 times 3 gives you 24. So A and A, I can go ahead and take out 8 right here. Now inside the parenthesis, I'm going to put whatever left over. So here I have 1t squared. Okay, on the second term, I'm going to have, since I'm taking out 8, I have 3 left. Okay, again, we can check our answer by multiply backward. You're gonna get exactly the answer right here. Okay. Alright, third example is whenever you don't see any numbers, you only have the exponents, right? So in this example, you take a look at these, the u to the 11 and u to the 12. Well, the most I can take out is u to the 11. Okay, so I'm taking out the lowest u out of these two. And do the same thing to the v. So here I have v to 14 and here v to the 15. So the lowest v is v to the 14. Now, after they share that, we're going to have to figure out what they don't share. And we put them in the parentheses. So the original, I have u to the 11. I use all of them. V to the 15 and I use v to the 14. So I have one v left. Okay, same thing to the second term right here. I have u to the 12, but I used u to the 11, so I have u to the 1 left. Now, originally, I'm starting with v to the 14, and I take out completely v to the 14, so which means I don't have any v left right here. Okay, and this one you can write a little bit nicer. So we know that 1 it's not very necessary to write them again, so we're just gonna take it out v minus u like that. Alright, we're on to last example. Here I have 6n squared subtract 30n plus 42. So again, we take a look at all the numbers in front first. I have 6, negative 30 and 42. The greatest common factor, the greatest number that they share is 6, right? So 6 goes in 6, 6 goes in 1, 30 is the same as 6 times 5, 42 is the same as 6 times 7. So you can see they have 6, all of them have 6 right here. And we take a look at the expression again. We don't have any n on the 42 right here, so therefore we cannot take out n. Okay, n is not on all of the terms, so you're just gonna take out 6, and then we start counting and put in all the leftover inside the parenthesis. So if I take out 6, I have 1 left, and together I have the n to the power of 2. The second term I have 5, and again I'm having the n right here. The third term I have 7. And we are done with our example. So I have 6 times 1n squared give you 6n squared. 6 times negative 5n give you negative 30n. And then 6 times positive 7 will give you positive 42. So that's how we can check our answer. Okay, now you try this one. Alright, so what's the biggest number they can share? It's not 1, it's not 3, it's not 2, it's not 4. Oh, 5, right? Yeah, so let's take a look. I can take out 5 right here. Because this 10 doesn't have D, so I cannot take out D, even though these two terms, they have it. Alright, so just 5. So here I have 15 is the same as 3 times 5. 45 is the same as 5 times 9. 10 is the same as 5 times 2. So you can see they all share 5, which is the biggest number they can share. So after I took out 5, I'm going to count what's left over. Here I have 3 d to the power of 2 plus 9d. And here I have subtract 2. Notice the sign, whatever sign right here, is going to match with your answer. Okay, we don't change anything, except we take out whatever they have in common. In this case, it's only number 5. Okay? Again, we can check our answer by multiplying backward. 5 times 3 give you 15d squared. 5 times 9d give you 45d. 5 times negative 2 right here give you negative 10. Okay, so our answer is correct.